What is good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get your custom brush in Adobe Illustrator using both your graphics tablet and also using a mouse. So with this brush you can draw your vector arts in Adobe Illustrator. So if you are new to the channel, my name is Iben, and what I do on this channel is that I teach people how to draw using Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, and at times I teach people basics of graphic design. So if you are interested in learning this, kindly click on the subscribe button and also enable post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. So without wasting time, let's jump right into the video. What you want to do when you're using your graphics tablets to get your brush for your vector art is that you want to select brush and then click on and also click on this new brush here. So what you want to do is to select this calligraphic brush and hit OK. So you have this option here, the calligraphic brush option. So you want to change the size here to 3 and change this to pressure and also change the variation to 3. Then you want to hit OK. So by doing that, you get your pressure brush in Adobe Illustrator using your graphics tablet. So when you do this, you have it there. So that's just how you can get it in Illustrator using your graphics tablets. It's just simple as that. Just two steps. And then you can come down here to change the size. Maybe you want to make it bigger, and then this is it. So you can just start pressing and then you have it there, guys. So let's move to the one of the mouse. So if you're using a mouse and you want to get the same settings I got, the same brush settings I got with the art tablets, it's very simple. What you want to do is to come down to this rectangle tool, right click on it and select this ellipse tool. So what you want to do now is to have this top layer selected and disable this stroke. Then you want to make a selection like this. Just follow my step and make sure the starting point and the ending point are pointed. That seems like starter rhyme. Just make the starting point and the finishing point, make it pointed, so you can get that your what's it called, that your pressure like brush. So having it selected, what you want to do now is that you want to go down to this place to your brush definition, come down to new brush, select art brush and then hit OK. So just leave these settings like this, click OK, and then you should have the brush right here. So when you come down here, you have the brush there. It's as simple as that. So that's how you can get your pressure brush, and that was how I do mine. So just make sure the beginning and the ending points are pointed. Well, that sounds funny to me, but I hope it's correct. They're pointed, so you can get that pressure look brush. That's how you have it, guys. If you learned something new in this video, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. And if you have some questions or video suggestions for me, kindly drop it in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to answer you all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.